So what we're looking at here is a Wizard Plus. Belongs to a customer of mine who called up and had some issues while mowing. He said he was mowing along and all of a sudden there was just a lot of noise, and it turns out that the electric clutch underneath let loose and caused some damage underneath. So I'm fixing that, getting some parts. But in the meantime, while it's here in my yard, this is a Wizard. It is a 50-inch mower deck and 6-speed. Under the hood we're looking at a Briggs & Stratton V-Twin Intech 20 horsepower. Pretty good sized unit. I would classify this more as a garden tractor, not just a lawn tractor. One reason being is because my own personal garden tractor is right here. This one actually says garden tractor right on it. But this one, Craftsman, made by Sears, also an AYP product, is powered by a Kohler engine, 18.5 horsepower Kohler Command. Very similar setup, nearly identical. I'm sure the parts are interchangeable on most of this stuff. Mine has a 46-inch deck, and as you can see, I happen to have a grass catcher on the back. This is a 3-bin grass catcher. The bins right now are not on it, but there we go. So Craftsman, that's a 1998. The Wizard is a 1999, so very, very similar.